In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project in CapCut PC. If you've been hunting around for a manual save button and can't find it anywhere, don't worry, you're not missing it. CapCut on desktop is designed to save your work automatically, so you never have to click save at all. Here's how it works. At the very top left corner of your screen, right next to the menu label, you'll notice a small cloud icon followed by the word saved. That tiny status area is your built-in progress indicator. It tells you exactly what CapCut is doing with your project in the background, in real time, without any extra steps from you. Make a quick change on your timeline, trim a clip, add some text, or drop in a graphic, and watch the top left status. The moment you make that edit, the label will switch to saving, then snap right back to saved almost instantly. That rapid flash confirms your update has been captured. In practical terms, it means every cut, title, and graphic you add is preserved the moment you place it, so you don't have to pause your creative flow to think about saving. Because of this instant autosave engine, you can close the software at any time without losing your progress. When you're ready to exit, just click Menu in the top left and choose Back to Home Page. That's it. CapCut will take you out of the editor, and your project will appear at the top of your dashboard, exactly as you left it, fully intact and ready to open again. No prompts, no manual saves, and no recovery steps. A couple of quick tips as you work. Keep an eye on that cloud icon if you're making a lot of fast edits in a row. Wait for it to switch back to saved before you immediately close the app, especially after a big change. If the status temporarily reads saving, give it a moment to finish. And always use the Back to Homepage option to exit cleanly, so the editor has a chance to wrap up any last-second updates. That's the whole system. Zero manual saving, continuous protection for your edits, and your project ready to pick up right where you left off. With CapCut PC, you can stay focused on creating, confident that your work is being saved for you every single time. You're all set.